Hey guys, Mitch from Redwater Dodge here. Many people ask us, why is my Ram DPF not regenerating in cold weather? Here's the deal. These trucks need the right driving conditions. You've got to get them up to full operating temperature and actually drive them. Steady speed, highway, usually like 15 to 30 minutes. If you're only doing short trips to work, to the store, back home, it's probably never getting hot enough to clean itself out. And yeah, short trips are one of the biggest reasons your DPF plugs up. The regen starts, then cancels over and over. Another thing people don't think about, winter fuel. That blended diesel can lower exhaust temperatures, which makes it even harder for the truck to hit the numbers it needs to burn everything off. So then the big question, when is it no longer just drive it harder situation and actually time to see the dealer? If you're getting constant warnings, forced regens, limp mode, or the message won't clear even after a good highway run, that's usually your sign something else is going on. So if your Ram's been acting up in the cold, you're not alone. If you have any questions, give us a call at 780-942-3629 and we'll do our best to help.